The renovation of my privacy screen from start to finish.
My first step is to remove all of the hinges. I do this for all of my renovation projects because I don't really trust myself to not get paint on them. I always think, oh, I'll be careful, but it's just not the case. So it's far better to just remove the hinges, remove any knobs. In this case, it's just hinges. I then do a light sanding job over the whole piece. I'm using chalk paint today, and that doesn't need all of the finish off. It just needs it roughed up a bit. Then I take a damp cloth and wipe off all the dust that I created with my sanding. I'm using ultra matte chalk paint today. I really like it because it's so easy to work with. I'll be covering all surfaces except for the very bottom with this. What I have found is that it tends to show brush strokes a little bit, so it's often necessary to do a second coat, even though a lot of times the container will actually say that it only requires one coat. Now that my paint's sufficiently dried, it's time for me to distress it with my sander. I go pretty lightly on it. I go just over all of the edges. This one will need a little bit more because one of my neighbor's dogs came over and ran all over the top of it right after it had just barely dried. So there's some dog prints there. So I'll take off the dog prints. I'll distress the edges. These portions are a little bit trickier. I just kind of quickly go over them because I don't want to take off too much of the paint, but I definitely want some of that wood to show through. Now I'll go over them with a damp washcloth to get any of the dust off. Now I'll use Jolie's finishing wax to go over the top. Usually I use a round brush for this, but somehow I've misplaced my wax brush, so I'll be using this one. Yay, I found my round brush. It goes so much faster with this one. Now this is kind of amazing stuff because it's slightly waterproof, so it makes it just a little bit easier to clean off. It does take 24 hours to dry to the touch, and then an additional almost a month, like 24 days, in order for it to be completely cured. It's cold out today. It's December actually, so it's not very warm. So that makes it a little bit harder to put this wax on. It goes on easier when it's a warm day. Now I'll put on my hinges, and I have to make sure that I put these on the right way so that this will fold accordion style. Now I'll bring this in the house so that it can continue to dry and cure in the warmer temperatures. And then I have my privacy screen, and this is wonderful because it can block my kitchen from my dining room so that even if I'm doing a day of videoing, the kids can still eat at the table.